Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a PIN code on the MetaMask wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet application on your device and then make sure to log in using your biometrics or your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within your wallet page. Now, in order to enable PIN code, just tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Security and Privacy. Now within this page, just scroll down and you will see the Unlock with Biometrics option. If this option is enabled, then you will need to disable it first. Tap on the toggle button and turn it off, and you will need to provide your biometrics to verify. Now scroll down once again and you will see that the Unlock with Device PIN option has appeared. You can now tap on this and toggle it on. Then just provide your password to verify your identity. And now you will be able to unlock this application with your device PIN code. You can disable it whenever you wish by toggling it off, and you will need to provide your password or verification in order to turn it off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a PIN code within the MetaMask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.